it's me, Luis, again. So it's Saturday, so it's a busy day. Remember, today I'm working with this kind of record, my camera, because this one is broken. So I'm gonna have a new one, so the next video is gonna be on my head, but today you're gonna see my face. Alright, so today we have a 4 job. We got Panamera 2010. We have a 1986 911. We have another one is a Escalade 2015, and this one is 911 2017. So today we have a lot of work, but remember, today we're gonna work with 2 systems. It's gonna be my Raptor and my Viper. So remember, we're gonna work at the corners, top of the corners on the right side, because I want to make sure this technique is gonna work a lot. I'm much better than the manufacturer instructions. Follow that, but in my case, a lot of work. I'm gonna follow that one because my anchor never move anymore, so that's why I have to do this. Okay, so today I'm already stripped all the parts. Remember this one, you already knows all about this one, sensor and all the stuff. The other one, the 1986, remember there's 3 retainers. Is one molding inside, another one outside with another retainer molding is on the glass attached with encapsulate. The antenna is gonna be on the passenger side inside. You gotta remove some parts to attach the antenna. This one you already knows about it, many guys knows, and this one the same way. So it's everything is set up ready. So I'm gonna start cutting this one first because this has to go first. They're coming in probably 4 hours, so my glue dries in 30 minutes and 2 hours to go. So it's good, and the rest of the car is gonna be here for the rest this weekend. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start working first in the 911. I'm gonna use the Raptor on this one and the Viper on this one. But that one, the 1986, that one is really hard. So in that one, I'm gonna try the technique at the corner and see how effective can be in hard glasses like that one. That one, the bonding in an 86, really is a lot of, it's very nice, very attached. They make you suffering a lot. Okay guys, so see you next shot. I'm gonna start recording this one first and see you in the next one. See you next, guys. Guys, so I'm gonna start on this one. Remember, it's attached at the corner. I'm not speeding, it's just the technique. I find this one much useful than the other one, but everyone can do it in their own way. So this is my timer now. I'm gonna start right now. Now let's get the other side. careful with the VIN number. Remember, these ones can be catched by the line. So really careful here. So the time was 4 minutes, so that's good time. So remember, I'm not speeding, it's just I want to see the technique works better. So you saw my anchor, I didn't clean the glass. If you don't see it, but over here I have some spots because the glass was dirt. So I didn't move the system, but you see on the last, my system starts to slide in a little bit. It was right here and move on this way. That's because I didn't clean the glass. But anyway, if I didn't clean, you see my anchor, this is the mark for my anchor, he never moved. So I think that's the best way to use this kind of anchors when they're really small. You have another big one, it's no big issues, but you have a small anchors, probably in this way, in this part, making the cuts from here is good. Now remember, some of the cuts is difficult to insert the line on the top, but you got to find a way. On this one, what I did is find this piece of molding, just go through under here without damage, of course, and just pull my line. So some is difficult and some is easy to put the line on the top, but you can go on the bottom like the manufacturer instructions. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go for the next one now, for the Panamera, and see you next shot. This one was replaced because you see the dirt right over there is you see it's a melting molding. That's a recall for Porsche, so we have to redo it. Okay guys, so see you next shot because it's late, this guy's coming and we got a lot of work. See you next. So we finished the 911, so now we're gonna work on the Panamera. Remember, we're working, see what's the best technique. In this case, the corner looks like it's the best option, so we're gonna start working now. Remember my timer. So we're gonna start working now. But in this one, we're using the Viper, okay, not the Raptor. the difference is the Viper cannot go too low because the ratchet is too big. Timer 4:28. That's good time. So this is good too. So we didn't have any problem here. Okay, as you see, the Viper didn't have any problem with the anchor anymore because we're attaching right here. So now remember, the only problem with this one is we cannot go too low, like the Raptor, because the ratchet is too big. So that's the only problem, but it works really nice. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna set this one and go with the Escalade and the old one, the 1986. I'll see you next shot, guys. So we finished the other two cars, so now we're gonna already put my line on this one. I'm gonna use the Raptor on this one, and for our Escalade we're gonna use the Viper. Okay, so I'm gonna try to set my time now. So I'm gonna start working now. guys, so we finished in for 81. Okay, so this one, the same, is working very nice. Okay guys, as you see, so this one to me is the best technique, corner. Okay guys, next one is gonna be the 1986. That one is gonna be a harder. I know it. So see you next shot. Okay guys, so I'm waiting by my primer dries, and that one is 10 minutes because I'm using my activator pad and primer. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. So the time I'm gonna take this one out. Remember, this one is going to be a little harder because this retainer right here is catch the glass. It's another molding outside and another inside I have to replace. But this one, sometimes they're really hard. So let me just set my timer. I'm working now. This one probably I'm going more slow with because it's really tight. So maybe using a wire to go faster, but I'm going to use a RC100 line for equalizer. So we're going to start now. All right. Hey guys, we finished in 3:35. That was a good time. Now we're going to replace the inside molding because it's damaged, so that's why the customers want to replace it. Let me show you which one is. So the molding we're talking about is this one, okay? This one is damaged inside, so they're gonna replace. We have to replace this one, the windshield, and the other one, the outside down. You can see a lot of glue right there, so I gotta clean all that, and that's it, guys. Okay, so we finished today. So it's Saturday, so probably see you Monday because I don't think I have more time to do more. The antenna for the car is right there. Let me show you where. Right here. So this is the place you're gonna squeeze the antenna inside right there. Okay, it's a little difficult because the plug is inside. So gotta take them off from inside the hood and just connect. Okay, guys? Okay, so see you Monday with more installed today because I'm gonna be here for another 1 hour more, and that's it. Okay, guys? So on Monday maybe I have my helmet, you know, for my camera because I'm gonna use this tripod for today and yesterday. But the next Monday will be normal. Okay, guys? So see you next shot.